Hi everyone, my name is Marius, I'm the founder of Pando Moto. Today we're going to do the real live crash test. Usually our gear is lab tested in order to acquire CE approval, but today we're going to use the test dummies in order just to show you how our gear is performing in real life conditions. We have an 800 meters landing strip in order to get approximately 120 kilometers per hour speed. And we have crash test dummies that every one of them weighs around 60-70 kilos in order to have the real life conditions. In this project we are partnered with Next. It's a Portuguese-based helmet brand, so they support us with the helmets. So at the same time, in the test we're going to try the helmets as well, you know, how it behaves under the 120 kilometers per hour speed. Okay, and this is what we see quite often. Simple shirt, simple jeans. Let's put it in the test. Safety first. Okay. So the speed is getting higher and higher, and I think we're about to hit the line. And let's go! Okay, let's see how it went. Anthony. What happens if you're riding just with the casual outwear? Also, we have a rip here. I'm not even saying about the t-shirt. T-shirt is completely shattered. Yeah, we can see the impact on skin. So the helmet was doing quite good. Well, the jeans is more like intact, but even though we have holes, definitely he would have a lot of health issues. Let's put it this way. Please always wear protective gear when you're riding. We're gonna use our AAA plus denim jeans called Boss Dean. This is the most safest jeans in our collection. And also on top of it, we're gonna use our new stealth jacket that is AAA rated jacket. We're about to hit the ground. Get ready. So we've been dragging this guy for how many?
50 meters.
50 meters, okay. So it's like roughly 5 or 6 seconds. We have no even holes on the outer layer of the jeans and of the jackets from the back, right? I mean, we have a lot of bruises, but no holes and no skin exposed. Okay, let's see from the front. We don't see any holes in the jeans, maybe here, but the ballast X is intact, so no skin exposed. The jacket, yeah, we have some holes here, but the ballast X is intact, as you can see here. Yeah, and I would say this is the first helmet that actually visor is intact after the crash. It's a really good result. Now we're gonna try something in the between. Top, we have casual wear, like a simple sweatshirt and cotton jeans. But underneath, we have a protection layer. It's skin AAA with the armor on the knees and on the hips. And on top, we have a shell. It's a AA rated underlayer garment. All right. All right. Sliding distance was 45 meters. We have a huge gaping hole on zone 1. The base layer, the ballast X is intact. Of course, when you have a crash, all the sleeves, usually from the casual wear, goes up. It's a little bit shattered, but everything is intact. Armor is intact, right? Pretty much shows how the protective base layer saves your skin and saves your body, and that actually you can wear the casual things on top of it. So now we're going to try the real test on our Mark AAA Plus jeans and on our Commander jacket, also AAA. Let's see what results we're going to have from it. Let's go. The slide distance was 55 meters, 5-6 seconds sliding time. Zone 1, zone 1, zone 1. No holes, nothing. Here in front, bruises, scratches, no big holes. The most important, no exposed skin. Here we have some holes, but inside we have a ball sticks, lining. So everything went okay. That was right. So here's the point. We do a lot of CE-approved tests. We hear stories from our riders around the world. But today, on this runaway, we proved it to ourselves.